Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 18th chapter, that is the mensuration 2, that is solid figures. Okay, in the previous video already we have studied about that. What is that volume, what is the surface area of cuboid and cubes, what is that lateral surface area, what is that, how can we find out the diagonals, we have studied in the previous video. But students, today we are going to discuss about that another one solid figures, that is the cylinder. So cylinder, how we should find out that surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. Okay, so let us see that students. First of all, this is the one cylindrical solid figures, and this is called as height, and this is the radius of the base, or this is base. Both are the two bases, two circular faces are there, and this is called as curved surface. Curved surface. Okay, so we will discuss about that, how that, what is that lateral surface area, another 2 pi r h. 2 pi r, that means this one, that is the circumference of the circle, the base into height. If we do, then we can get a lateral surface area of a cylinder. Same like TSA, total surface area of the cylinder, is equal to 2 pi r plus h plus r. 2 pi r whole h plus r. How we are total surface area we are doing? Actually, this two area plus curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to, what is that we got? That is lateral surface area. Curved surface area means lateral surface area. So 2 pi r h plus this is, what will get? This is pi r square, that is also pi r square. So we can get 2 pi r square. So if we take that 2 pi r, if we take the common, here it will be h, here will be r. So h plus r, that is the total surface area. So curved surface area plus area of the base and area of the top is the total surface area. So that's why we can get that 2 pi r plus h plus r. Okay. So now students, another one is the volume. Volume is equal to, what is that? Area of the base into height. Okay. Whenever you are finding that the lateral surface area, perimeter of the base into height, and whenever volume you are finding, that is area of the base into height. So pi r square h. Now in a hollow cylinder, what is that? Another one type of cylinder also friends. Which one inside hole is there? Like that one hollow is there. Okay, like the space is there. So that is the surface area of the base is equal to pi whole r square minus r square. Pi whole r square of capital R minus r square. Capital R means outside of that total circum, and small r means it is inside that cylinder. So if we subtract and we will multiply with pi, then we can get that area of the surface, base area or the top area. The lateral surface area is equal to external surface area plus internal surface area. External surface area means outside it, this outside it, and internal means this inside the, what is that cover, that surface area is that. Both if you add, then we will get the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder. So lateral external, that external surface area already we found that is the 2 pi r h plus, here only the changing is, what is the difference is, here capital R, when the outside is capital R, and here inside whenever we are taking small r, and the difference is not there, same formula 2 pi r h, but here only we can take a capital R and a small r. Or if you common, if you take 2 pi h, then capital R plus r will be in the image. So total surface area is equal to, what is that? Now 2 pi r whole r plus h into h plus r minus r. This formula you have to remember, the students. Now look at that. Based on this formula of the cylinder, we should find out that one example. The diameter of a cylinder is 8 cm. Okay, one cylinder given that, compulsory the pictures you have to draw. Whenever you are solving that mensuration, that part, you have to do that radius. Means figure you have to draw. Okay, so first of all, write down that cylinder. What is that diameter given to you? Suppose this is the diameter. Okay, the diameter is equal to how much, friends? 8 cm. So hence radius how much? 4 cm. So we can write that solution, given that diameter D is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. Hence radius is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. Hence radius R is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Now its curved surface area is equal to 1320 centimeter square. So curved surface area of cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? What is that? 2 pi RH, which implies 2 pi RH is equal to how much given that is? 1320 cm square. Okay, which implies 2 into 22 by 7 into R value how much given we got? 4 into H is equal to 1320 centimeter square. Okay, what I have done? I have kept pi value. This is the pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay, so now R value got R value is equal to 4 centimeter and H. Now what I have to do, students? Now all that H only variable. So this H is equal to, we can write all that set will go that side. So 7 is down. We can multiply with this 1320 into 7 by this we can divide 22 into 4. So now 2 raised should got that. If roughly we will do this, we can write there 1320 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 4. Okay, 2 रे कट करो, मैं 4 से डायरेक्ट कट कर दो, इजी फॉर दैट. So 4 means 4 3 जा 12. Next 1 4 3 जा 12 0. Okay, 11 रे कट करो, 11 3 जा 30, 11 2 जा. Okay, 2 15 जा. Okay, now 15 7 जा how much? 105 by 2. Okay, is equal to how much will get? 2 5 जा 10, 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा. So we'll get 52.5. So we'll get 52.5 centimeter is the, what is that? Our height. So hence height of cylinder is 52.5 centimeter. Okay, so I hope you have understanding about that, and you have to remember that all the things and whatever the formulas I have given to you, in this formula also you have to remember, and the next part of that things you have to discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you.